Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to show or hide zoom controller on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Then scroll down and tap on touch. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on back tap. From here, you can choose double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to select double tap in this video. And here you scroll down to the accessibility section and tap on zoom controller. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. So now if you double tap on the back of the device, this will allow you to turn on the zoom controller. You can also double tap to switch it off. So that's on, then double tap again to switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.